Hey everyone, this is Ford Mustang 98 guy here. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2000 Toyota Camry LE. This is the 4-cylinder model. And today, I'm going to give you all a full and in-depth review on the Toyota Camry LE. We'll start the engine, show it off, go some performance details, and show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. Today, I'm at MSD Motors, located at 2044 Kipling Avenue, Toronto, Ontario. And so, without further ado, we're going to start it up, let it run. This battery's dead, so I have to hook up the booster pack. Anyways, it's a gold exterior, or actually it's a beige exterior with beige cloth interior. It's a really nice car. I never did a Camry like this one before. I do have a 96 Camry, 2002 and 2003 Camry on my channel, in-depth tour, but I've never done an in-depth tour on a Camry like this one. Anyways, it's going to fire up. Has 268,000 kilometers. Okay. This is the 4-cylinder model. Perfect. I'm just gonna disconnect that booster. Has an automatic driver's side window. Gotta be careful. I don't know why this battery's dead for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, we'll get back to the engine in a little bit. It's starting to snow a little bit. Beep, beep. 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive and low gear selection. E-brake's broken. So, let's go flip on the headlights as well as the hazards. Let's go check out the exterior, shall we? Standard Michelin tires on alloys. Oh, maybe I can get the side view here. There we go, that's better. Lockable fuel door. I gotta go on the other side to get the back. It's a tight space, as you can see. That's the car wash on the other side. Just beware of that noise. That's just the car wash. Third brake on top. Exhaust. hood. This is the 4-cylinder. You can also get a V6 if you want. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder. Here's your battery. This is the engine coolant. Nice and warm under there. Washer fluid right there. Alright, we're gonna shut her up. Over here is your power windows, power locks, window lock, storage, fuel cap and trunk release. Also has full power seats. Which works, it's awesome. And it does have a manual tilting steering wheel. Okay, now let's go and see how she revs. Oh shit. What a sound, what a great sound to it actually. I like the V6 better. I don't like the 4-cylinder Camry. Up there you have a digital clock. So now, I'm going to shut it up. I'm going to leave it running. I'm not going to do a startup with the door closed. Easy to use climate control. Temperature. Different zones. Front defrost. Rear defrost. Recirculation. Air conditioning. Recirculation. And the fan speed right here. AM FM radio with CD player and cassette player. You also have cassette player right here.
Rip Craft Weekend. Here's a who won't get fooled again.
Ashtray, cigarette lighter. Yeah, it was a mild of a smoker a little bit in this one. Cigarette lighter in there. Cup holders. Storage. Parking brake, which is, oh, this is your hand brake. Cruise control right here. Headlights, turn signals. Wipers. Your power mirrors right here. Over here, you have your temperature, fuel, speedometer, and your tachometer. Not bad. Manual dimming rearview mirror. Interior lights. Sunglass storage. You have your sunroof.
CHFI, Toronto's perfect music mix.
That's pretty much about it on the interior. There's nothing else to show really. You have your hazards, your air vents. Alrighty guys. Want to check out the back seat? Cup cup holders back here. Interior lights. Armrest. Pop trunk. Yeah, it's got 2 tires in the back. I guess they're no good. I guess they're bad tires. I don't know. Trunk is it's only got 2 tires back there. I don't know why. A little bit of rust on it. A little bit of rust under the license plate where you put the back light, the rear license plate on. A little bit of rust there. Windows. You have your power locks, power windows, storage, full manual passenger seats, not the same as the driver's. Inside glove box. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much about it. Just gonna shut it off. Or just leave the radio on. Let's see if it'll start in its own power. Nice! It starts on its own power, hopefully. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2000 Toyota Camry LE 4-cylinder. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Have a good day guys.